Hello and welcome to my channel, The Old Gamer here. So this is again a quick unboxing. Uh, so the unboxing is actually, at the least the packaging was broken, so I've kept it aside. And let's do the unboxing for the power supply I've selected for my new build. It's Corsair RM1000e. It's a 1000 watt fully modular power supply. And the reason to choose this was NVIDIA says if you're using a 4090 you need to have a 850 watt power supply, and on top of it the 14900K has max power usage of 250 watts plus, so I thought 1000 watt Corsair RM1000E should do good. Let's open the box. This is very important. I'll keep that aside. Safety and compliance. It's just this. So no installation manual. This is just a safety booklet. PS or PSU. Okay, the screws to attach your power supply to your cabinet, whatever it might be, and some zip ties for the wires. Cable management. A thick power input for the power supply. Okay, this is. These are quite a bunch of cables. I think the box does detail what and which cable and what count of that cable. Let me quickly. Yeah, so it says over here which cable, what is the count. So the most important for me is the 12 VHPR cable for the 4090. Rest everything, it's like your motherboard power, SATA, hard drives, all the regular stuff. But this one, I think instead of NVIDIA's cable, I might use this. I haven't decided yet, but it comes out of the box with this one. So that was another reason for choosing this power supply. There's the fan. Normally this is the way it will be mounted, the fan facing the bottom. Hopefully the case that I have selected will have some vent at the bottom. These are the modular connectors where you'll insert one end of the cable and the other one will go to whichever part or component you're going to power with it. So that was the quick unboxing for RM1000E. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and like.